All right, so this is my new listing in Princeton at Lavon Shores. If you're looking for a home with no HOA, no city taxes, only county taxes, you're at the Lake Lavon. There's kayaking, there's people riding ATVs. Every summer, there's contests on fireworks out here, so I'm gonna kind of take you around the lot. This house is on 5 lots. Gonna scroll around there. It's got a 2-car carport, which you'll see later. I just want to take it. If you're looking for land, great spot. 5 lots here, and right behind that fence here is actually 2 more lots that are for sale, not by this owner, but potentially you could buy those if you wanted. You have to clear all that timber off, but look how expansive this is. Goes all the way around. Also is on liquid. You have liquid propane. These 2 storage sheds are going to stay, and it is so quiet out here. All on here is a small plane flying right now. There's the carport. And take a look at this. Nice patio covered with fans. They tell me they don't even need the fans because even when he's smoking brisket out here, because the air is so fresh and so cool coming off that lake. How'd you like to have this and this be your view? Incredible. All right. We're gonna walk around this way, I hope. Right, so there's some other areas to park. Right here is parking right in the front. Got plenty of trees. Keeps you shady. Right here's the living area. See, it's got a wood burning stove right there. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Nice island, gas cooktop. Got your dishwasher. Microwave set in over there. Here's one of the bedrooms. This is actually the master. One of the baths. Another room that you could use as a bedroom or a study like these guys have. Of course, living, the dining. Oh, actually, this is the master. Sorry, I misspoke. Yeah, so here's the master. Good size room. His and her closets. His and her vanities. Nice shower too. Let me know if you have any questions. Dare with TMD Realty at Lavon Shores.